Hi, my name is Kayla Robbie, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today I'm going to review a very special product you are looking for. I have analyzed all of the features, specifications, and performance of the product, and now I'm going to review the product in detail. After watching my review, you can decide whether you should choose the product or not. Let's go and watch the review with a presentation.
MyReviewsStore.com presents Best Beard Growth Oil Review. Number 1. Profit & Tools Unscented Beard Oil and Comb Gift Kit. The oil contains all the necessary ingredients any top beard oil should have, which includes jojoba, aloe vera, vitamin E and chamomile oil. The oil comes unscented. Some men prefer it that way. While jojoba and vitamin E help with skin nutrition and beard growth, chamomile helps with soothing the itchy feelings growing beards can cause. Aloe vera aids in making the beard shiny, lively and string. The oil is a complete package. It's affordable, portable and organic, truly the best beard oil for beginners. If you have dry skin, you'll find comfort in this oil, no more annoying unattractive split ends and parched beards. Number 2. Beard Farmer Growth or Beard Growth Oil. The perfect combination of oils that it causes super fast growth of a thicker and fuller beard. This growth oil is one of the strongest beard oils on the market, is known to aid in beard growth. The natural conditioners act as moisturizers on the beard, which reduces dryness and spikes, beard dandruff and also itchiness. Acts as both moisturizer and container, resembling the characteristics of olive oil, castor oil, and avocado oil. The oil comes ingredients rich with a total of 9 components. No other beard growth oil assembles this much versatile ingredient. Despite being rich, this oil is mild on skin, while not falling short in thickening facial hair and increasing blood circulation. Number 3. Beard Flux XL-Caffeine Beard Growth Stimulating Oil for Facial Hair Grow. 100% cold-pressed Moroccan Argan was used in this oil. The ingredient is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which will hydrate, soften your beard. Coming with a perfect travel size bottle, you can just keep this baby in your pocket. The product embodies the confidence of its manufacturers. The Delta Genesis offers a complete refund if you don't get the desired result. So, are people loving it? A whopping 4.7 rating on Amazon says they are. Made in the USA. Comes with selective and necessary ingredients, no filler. The caffeine-induced formula is something never introduced before, and it proved quite effective for those yet to come hair follicles. Number 4. Smooth Viking Beard Oil for Men. The high-quality ingredients relieve itching and also help to grow the beard. Since the ingredients used are pretty effective, putting on only a small amount can help you style your beard perfectly. It requires low maintenance, and the oil blends in the beard easily. The bottle comes with a dropper attached, so the oil can be applied in just the right amount without any difficulty. The Smooth Viking Beard Oil blends immediately when applied to the beard, thanks to the lightness of the oil. After application, you'll smell a gentle natural aroma, like the one comes from woods. Not too aggressive, but enough to revive people around you. Number 5. Ultimate Men's Gold Beard Oil by Inglorious Fuzz. This is a completely natural, non-toxic, a cruelty-free product which can be used by any man, be it a full beardo, or a carefully trimmed guy. This cheap beard oil has no lack of quality, pure, unrefined jojoba and argan oil, which makes it a perfect moisturizer and hair growth stimulator. This one comes with an aroma, but not those acute, weird scents. The delicate, subtle fragrance will lionize your presence in the parties, interviews or duts. Number 6. Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil. This is a carrier beard oil, with a mixture of 7 oils, rich in nutrients and minerals. From necessary oils like jojoba and argan to rare oil like kukui, which is imported from Hawaii, the oils provide solutions for each and every face hair and face skin problems. The oil is handcrafted and made in the USA and has been popular among ever since it was introduced. While most of the oils come with 2-3 ingredients, this one comes with more than 7 ingredients at the expense of a normal beard oil. You can ask for a full refund in case you don't like it, but with quality like this, we rather see yourself ordering the next pack in a few days. Number 7. Lavender Rose Beard Oil. This is a cruelty-free, vegan-friendly oil that can be used by everyone, every culture, every ethnicity. The oil comes fragrance-free for those who like the simple and unscented aura. Free from additional additives, the jojoba and argan oil helps eliminate itching, grow the beard, while keeping the grow ones hydrated and lively. You'll feel a quick change in softness and firmness of your beard after applying it. This is one of the top-selling beard oils due to the low price and convenience it comes with. The dropper helps you with determining the quantity. The Lavender Rose is simple to use and soaks in rapidly to treat your dull, divided, bristly beards.
Thanks for watching the review. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a bargain hunter, and I have found a big discount for you. Please have a look at the description below and find your special big discount link today.